I wrote down, I would not pick the SQI. I did not tell him I did not pick Unilag for medicine. So I picked SQI as first choice. He did not know.
You picked SQI as first choice.
But he did not know.
Wow.
Okay.
Which school did you pick as second and third choice?
Picked music as second choice. But music cannot accept you as second choice. Yeah, was the third one. I didn't even know what I picked.
Yours picked.
But what I was just focusing on was on the first choice, SQI. The
SQI.
second, I just put in the same thing. So my parents, they were insulting me.
Oh my
They were
God.
insulting me, want to go college.
Wow. Can you tell me about your study and experience so far?
I made one mistake when I came. They thought I knew everything already. Onward. So I was not focusing on external answers, not giving problem, but then JavaScript, I still thought I knew it. So I did not focus there. Let me say I focused, but I did not bring too much focus. As when I started knowing that I was not getting some topic. I had to meet Esther from, then you're advancing, I should go back and learn it again. I should not think about me going back and eating. Just once I had to go back and learn it.
And now, with JavaScript? Amazing. I'm happy to hear that. There are other things that the school always tell the student to do, like show your work and the likes. Do you do them? You do it? Amazing. Have you ever gotten any attention?
Well, just 2 times.
You got it 3 times. Can you share it with me?
The first one I used a building system.
Okay.
And the second one was an e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, and Java.
And JavaScript. Amazing, dude.
The third one, this one recently, was a code studio that is React.
Okay, use React for that. I see. Oh, with an API integration. How many months have you spent?
18 October last year.
Okay, and this is July. Is it up to 10 months? It's now up to 10 months. Wow, amazing. Now, those things you said you built, you've shared them online, right? Have you gotten any attention at all?
Yes, on WhatsApp when I posted it in the group. I don't know how they add you to the group chat. And they sent me something that the Sweden company said you should work on.
The Sweden company.
The admin of the group just texted me and was like, we are working on a project and I want you to join. I was like, do you know? And I didn't reply with no science, no updates.
Okay.
So when I saw it, I was like, do you know me? And we were like, I don't know you well. Just go and check the group. We checked, then I joined. I showed Mr. Femi that should I continue? So I've not learned finish. Mr. Femi was like, no, continue.
Of course. I know that's what you will tell it.
They now put me as the leader.
As the leader, for front end.
We're doing meetings. Perhaps to let out.
Every time you'll be doing meetings. Oh.
They are still working on projects. I've never been friends with. So this is the group.
So you have been doing some things and you have been leading groups in this group, and this group is an international group. Amazing. Does that know about you? He doesn't know yet. Oh my God, does mom know?
Yes, ma'am.
Your mom knows? Wow.
Every day she will call me, she will pray for.
Study at SQI. Succeed anywhere.